The accounting treatment in case of death of a partner is similar to that of retirement of a partner. The major difference that is there is that in case of retirement, the partner usually leaves the business on the last date of the accounting period. So there is no trouble regarding the distribution of profits. But this is not the case in case of death of a partner. In case of death of a partner, the share of the deceased partner till the date of death has to be calculated in the profits of the firm and has to be provided to his executors. The second major change is that in case of retirement, the amount is payable to the retiring partner himself, but in case of death, the amount is paid to his executors. Let us learn about various methods through which the share of the profits of deceased partner is calculated. So, profits of deceased partners. Now students, usually the method of calculation of profits for a deceased partner is given in the partnership agreement. Partners usually have agreed to it, and there can be various accounting bases for it. The first basis is on the basis of previous year's profits. Now students, remember one thing. In this case, the partners obviously have agreed that in case somebody of them expires during the particular accounting period, then they will assume that the profits of this year are going to accrue on the same base as in the previous year. Let us take an example to calculate the share of deceased partner as per this basis.